I'm using OAS Mountain Horse brush, small size, and I'm loading some light ink. I dry the brush and using a little bit side angle, kind of tease and chip the paper. The paper I'm using is a Ning Yeh paper that is very good for landscape. So apply some very light ink to work on the outline of the mountain, and then I'm rubbing some darker ink sometimes it overlaps with the light, other times it's going beyond. So that's how I work some texture or rocky feelings on the paper. And then lighter ink continue to fade the root of the mountain to allow it to go into the mist. OAS Large Flow Brush. I'm working again with some light ink and tip touching dark ink. I'll work the top of the mountain The way I apply the brush is to allow the body, which is having no ink, to use as a buffer. So as I press, the body part of the brush is lighter and it allows the shape to fade naturally. And I'm coming back with some dark ink, and I reverse the brush so the tip is pointing down, and I reach into the crevices and show some shadow. This part I call the nose of the mountain, and it comes forward. The shoulder part or the edges of the nose I would like to darken so that it gives a dimension. So that's kind of the idea of the line work and ink work. You see the ink, there is still some transparency. It's not totally dark. So the way loading the brush is kind of important. You see, I just dip the tip part just a tiny bit, and that way it gets the tip dark and the body light. And I can see the color fading nicely. And then if I clean the brush and dry the brush, I can continue making the root fade seamlessly.